Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Apple Intelligence feature regarding the batteries. You guys can see here there is a new feature called Battery Intelligence, which shows you the full charge timing of your iPhone's battery, that how long your iPhone will take to fully charge, right? So as you guys can see here, in my case, my iPhone says 38 minutes to fully charge, and how you can do that in your iPhone. So the process is really simple. You just have to follow me. So I'll show you how this works. Let me try to unplug and plug it back, and you will see that my iPhone will give me the time to show me the time that how long it will take to charge my phone fully. So there you go, and it says about 46 minutes to fully charge. And how it deciding, because it literally used the battery health and the how much charge limit you have set in your iPhone. So I'll show you how you can set that in your phone. So guys, I have given a link in the description. You have to open that link, right? Hit on get shortcut and make sure you add a shortcut in your shortcuts app. So I have already set that shortcut in mine, but I'll hit on replace to just to show you. Now hit to automation section here. I'll delete this automation because I want to redo it. Hit on new automation, swipe up all the way down up to charger. Here you guys can see here. Now hit on run immediately. Do not select run after confirmation, and make sure your iPhone is selected, that you have check mark here on this option, right? Hit on next, and here you have some more options. You have to choose my shortcuts and choose that shortcut which you have just downloaded, and that's it. You are good to go. So for the very first time when you're setting your phone to charge, your iPhone will ask for a permission. You have to hit allow, and that's it. So whenever you are going to plug in your phone on charge, you will see a notification that how long your iPhone will take to fully charge. So how's it? Do let me know in the comment section. Do you like it or no? Is it helpful, or is it giving false information? What do you think? So do let me in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much. Hit on like button, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.